guys, so today we're just gonna keep it casual. I'm chilling. I got sweatpants on. Yeah, we're just gonna do a little quick empties video. I used to do these on my Instagram stories all the time, so I'm gonna be upgrading our setup a little and bringing them over here on YouTube. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna start with skincare. So let's see. First, I actually literally just finished this today. This is my Derma Doctor KP Duty. This is like the exfoliating cream, essentially. It's like an AHA cream for keratosis pilaris, which I have pretty bad on my arms. This is good. I wouldn't say it's life-changing, but it has kept my KP definitely more under control for years. I've heard of some other products from other brands that I'm curious about. But overall, I really like this. It's really reduced the redness and the bumpiness for me for sure, because I used to be really insecure about that, and you know, it was really hard. I had a dermatologist tell me that there was basically no cure, and I went through all these prescriptions. So I'm not gonna lie, this is pricey, but for me it's worth it, because to me, I treat this almost like a prescription. So yeah, KP Duty, you can get it at Ulta and Sephora and on their website and Derm Store, I think. Next is the Versed Wash It Out Gel Cleanser. I like this. So this is Versed. This is the skincare brand by Who What Wear, which is random. I believe it's a Target exclusive, but I really like this. This esthetician that I follow on Twitter, her name's Ashley. Actually, she's based in Chicago, so I really want to go see her. But I saw that she had bought this, and I was like, okay, if this at least had a good enough first impression / ingredient label for an esthetician to want to try it, it's good enough for me, and I loved it. I just feel like it's kind of a simple, classic cleanser that could probably work on a lot of skin types. And I liked it. My skin felt clean but not stripped. So I'm using right now the Sweet Chef Oat Milk Latte Cleanser right now, because they're like pretty much the same price and a kind of a similar vibe, like a gentle, simple cleanser. So I'm trying that right now, so when I finish that up, that's kind of, you know, where I'm going to decide which cleanser I want to go with. But I think this is like $12.99. It's so reasonably priced, and the bottle doesn't look huge, but it actually, I mean, I definitely got a few months of use out of this, and the price, you can't beat it. So I love this. Obviously, of course, all the products mentioned today are cruelty-free. I feel like my first few videos, I'm going to remind you guys that everything is cruelty-free, or else I wouldn't use it. Next, I have the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. This is like the little like travel size guy. He's a little 2-ouncer. I'm impressed with, for being a travel size, how much use I got out of this. I think this thing lasted me for like 2 months. It's like a cream-ish cleanser, but it's not like a cleansing balm or something. Like, it's definitely your second step in like a double cleanse. I'm actually very surprised. I didn't like love this. It was fine. I think for the price, I would rather just stick with my Versed one. But I mean, it's good. If you can afford it and you like something that's more like gentle and simple, like a CeraVe type thing, but you know, CeraVe is not cruelty-free, this is definitely a great option. And for only being 2 ounces and getting like 2 months of use, I think that's great too. But I didn't love it. I love the Ultra Repair Cream. I love that stuff. But yeah, this is my first time trying this cleanser, and it was fine. It was a perfectly fine, uneventful cleanser. So, yeah. It might be good if you have like sensitized skin, like if you maybe something happened. Next is the Heritage Store Rose Petals Rose Water. So this is just like a rose water spray. I love this stuff. I haven't repurchased yet. I probably will eventually, but it's just not an essential, and I really want to try the Tower 28, like calming, the SOS spray I think it's called, just because I'm eczema prone and I do get a little redness and stuff. But I love this. I just think like rose water is nice for your skin, and this is just like a calming mist. Even like, let's say your makeup looks a little cakey, you're like over powdered a little bit, this is also awesome for that. I feel like it had a good mist. I mean, there's like nothing left for it to mist, so I can't show you guys, but I mean, I've like used every last drop. But I love this. Super affordable, less than $10. I actually think I got this one at TJ Maxx, but you can get it at Target, like CVS, so I will eventually be repurchasing this for sure. Next is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is allegedly for oily to combo skin. So this is a really hyped up product, and I'm a combo skin person, but honestly, I just tend to like a thicker moisturizer than this. This was fine. I think, like, okay, someone like my mom, who she doesn't wear moisturizer to bed. I will let that sink in. She washes her face and then just like goes to bed. So I've gotten her on like a serum, but it's not like even a hydrating serum. So like, I'm like, Mom, I'm not gonna ramble on. Mom, I love you. If you're watching this, I love you, Mom. I wish you would use moisturizer at night. But I feel like something like this would be good for someone who like hates the feeling of like moisturizer or things on their skin. I don't get it. I love like a thick cream. So for me, this was just very meh. I think I got this with Sephora points. Like, I didn't pay for this. I got it with points. It's fine. I will say I don't like scented products because obviously that means there's like fragrance and stuff in them. But I do love the way that this smells. So if you're someone who likes just a really, really light moisturizer, you will love this. But I'm just someone who, even though I'm combo, I just like something a little thicker. So yeah, it was fine. I will not be repurchasing. So this is not an empty. This is a half empty because I was so underwhelmed by this. I could not bring myself to finish it because I was like, I feel like I'm wasting time when I could be using products that are doing way better things for my skin. This is the Herbivore, is it Bakuchiol? Bakuchiol? Yeah, right? The Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. This I feel like truly did nothing for my skin. And also I have heard that the way that they're obtaining their Bakuchiol is maybe not the most environmentally friendly. So I might try to use this on like maybe my décolletage, or, I mean, I don't know, retinol is kind of resurfacing. I don't know if it would be good on maybe the KP. I might try it on other parts of my body, but like I used about half of this and I'm not going to finish it. So I'm not going to purchase the full size of this. I mean, the texture's great. Like, it feels very nice and thin and light on the skin. Definitely didn't dry me out or give me a reaction, but I just felt like it did pretty much nothing. Next is my Ride or Die Daytime Lip Balm. This is the Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm with SPF 25. This is the Black Cherry scent. I think I got this in the holiday set. Every year they do a holiday set with limited edition flavors. Get it. It's a great value. They'll usually be at like Sephora and Nordstrom. Yeah, so I go through these like crazy because I put SPF on my lips every day, and if I'm at home on the weekends, I will reapply with this because your lips need some protection too. Like, I do not want shriveled old people lips, you know what I'm talking about. No shade. Oh, that sounded really mean. No shade to old people, but like when their lips are just shriveled and so thin because it's just lost all the collagen and it's all the sun damage, it's just not cute, and I don't want that for myself. I have actually a couple hair products, which is weird considering I just like get out of the shower, lightly detangle with my fingers, and call it a day. This is the Aveda Cherry Almond Leave-In Conditioner. This was nice. I don't know if I noticed like some kind of incredible, amazing difference, but also I don't use heat on my hair, and I never colored my hair with permanent dye, so like I'm not a great person to test like hair masks and stuff because my hair is never really dry unless if I wait way too long to get a haircut. But it was nice. It had a nice scent to it. I like Aveda products, so it was fine. This might be great, you know, if you need a leave-in, but I don't know. It was just meh. It was fine for me. But like I said, I don't know if I'm the best person to like test a hair mask or a leave-in conditioner. You know. Next, I have two mini dry shampoos. So I always keep a like baby-sized dry shampoo in my work bag because the way my like front layers kind of sit on my face, they kind of get a little greasy throughout the day. I've always had a really, really oily scalp. So it's really just dry shampoo or nothing. So I used up the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I really like this stuff. It's great. It's a white one, but I don't feel like it's leaving me so white. I think this is a white one, right? Yeah. Yeah, it is. I was like, wait, charcoal? But yeah, it's not black. yeah, it's great, but my number one fave is the Amica Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I actually finally caved and bought a big can to keep at home, but I always keep a baby-sized can in my work bag. I love this. I love the packaging. I feel like the price point's pretty reasonable. I actually got this for free. You had to spend $25 to get this free little baby, and the big guy is $25. So it was perfect. So I like got my refill on for my work bag, and I got the big one. So this one's used up. I have a fresh can in my work bag, but I love the way this smells because some people also use dry shampoo if their hair is actually like dirty. My hair's not like dirty. It's just kind of getting a little greasy because that's just my skin. But if you are actually someone who goes maybe a couple days between washes and you want your hair to still smell clean and fresh, this is it. I also love the Dry Bar one, but I've been favoring the Amica. I love it. I love it so much. So, yes. Our last product is the Stila Magnum Mascara. Excuse me, Magnum Triple X Mascara. This branding is hilarious. I really liked this mascara for a while, and then it was one of those ones where I was going through phases where I would have a day where I'm like, okay, now my lashes look horrible. For a while, this was a good mascara, but I don't think I'll do it again. But if you are someone who loves like a fat brush, because I know some people are like, yes, give me the biggest mascara brush ever. Try this. I think I got this when Nordstrom does their awesome mascara sale that everyone freaks out for. I decided to try a new one just for fun. But honestly, the Stila Extreme Lash Huge, I think it's called, in the solid gold tube, this is good. That one is a million times better. It's by far top 5 mascaras of all time. I love that one. But this one is good too. So if you're in the market for something new, I definitely recommend it. I feel like Stila, I remember Stila being really popular when I was younger, and I feel like they kind of, you know, they've ebbed and flowed in like mainstream popularity, but I think Stila products are great. I've never tried something from them and hated it for sure. So I think it's worth a shot if you're interested. And the branding is fun and silly. So yeah. So those are all the products I've used up in the last few months. I was actually surprised that I only had one makeup product, but I guess with everything going on, the only makeup I really wear anymore is like brows and mascara, unless if I'm, you know, putting makeup on for fun at home, which, you know, I love, but it's not the same. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know, you know, what you've used up. Do you like any of these products? If you have any, I don't know, suggestions for stuff like this. I love trying out new products. As long as they're cruelty-free, I'll try just about anything. So thank you guys for watching. If you're interested, if you like this video, you want to give it a like, you know, a thumbs up, and subscribe. That would mean so much to me, more than you know, because I would love to make this channel grow, and I can't do it without you. So if you like this, that would be awesome. Thank you. Thank you for watching, even if you don't subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!